How's it going, guys? Back with the first of many kind of tutorial reviews that I'll be doing for my new YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing a new shift knob and shift boot in my 2003 Mark IV Jetta 1.8 liter turbo Volkswagen edition. Yeah, the old one is really kind of garbagey. It's really bad. Got all kind of corroded, and it just doesn't really look good. So we're gonna do a new one. The only tools you're gonna need for this install are gonna be a pair of little wire snips, and that's really it. All the trim pieces are gonna come out. On normal shift knobs, it's just gonna twist off, but this one's a little bit different. So let's get into it and show how it's done. Alright, so in order to take the actual boot of it off, you're going to lift up on this back part here, just kind of pry it up. And just pull it way up like that. Inside the collar, you have a little clamp piece right there. You're basically going to want to cut that off. On most cars, it's just going to be a thread right here, but on the Europeans, it's going to be this little clamp. So you're going to take your little snips and get on in there. It's a little bit convincing, but it does come off eventually. We just gotta snip this collar and then pry it off there. Alright. This is what it's gonna look like. Usually you can just snip the actual head off and that'll do it, but this one took a little bit convincing, so not a big deal. And then it'll just come right off. It should. There we go. So it's got these little prongs on there that kind of hold it in place, but they'll just pry it off after that. Put it to the side. So your new shift knob's gonna come with one of these, just like the last one. We're gonna clamp it down after we get it on. Basically just slide it right back on like the last one. Still got the prongs. Just put those right in the hole. Sorry about that. Okay. Just make sure it's all lined up. All your shift patterns all kind of lined up perfectly. And then you're gonna grab your pliers again and just kind of pinch that back on there. There you go. There we go. So it's nice and tight on there. It's not going to come up when you're driving. We're going to fit it back down there, fit your back in your trim pieces, snap it back in, and you're good to go. So as you can see, in comparison to the old one, that looks a lot better. Kind of fits the color scheme with the rest of my car. The little trim pieces that I pulled out and painted red, so it does kind of fit. And just overall, it looks better. It definitely feels better than this old one. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really happy to be doing this and to be bringing you guys some new content. So please feel free to subscribe to keep up to date on what I'm doing and where this channel is going to lead me. So thank you guys again, and as always,